Hi guys, in this video you're going to discover how to promote affiliate links for free. So this is going to be 100% free method whereby you don't have to invest anything. What you need to do is just invest in time because it is free, and yet not everything free is not valuable, because if you stick with me until the end of this video you're going to discover a very powerful method on how to actually making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up as well if you could find some value throughout my video. Okay, so I'm going to be utilizing Warrior Plus, so you could actually use whatever platform, affiliate platform that you want, whether it is JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon, or whatever. Okay, but in this particular video I found this actually a congruent offer with my content that I want to promote. And basically Blogy is actually an automated software whereby you can get fresh content every day. Okay, so I think this is the suitable offer with my content that I want to promote. So that is the first thing, you need to have an affiliate offer, and number two, you need to have a content. Okay, so this is the content. Actually I want to promoting other people content. It is not necessarily your content, but if you have your own content, it's perfectly okay, you can do that as well. But in this particular video I will leverage other people content, and that is the powerful of this method, because you don't have to write your own blog post, you don't have to write your article, you don't have to have your own content, but instead you can leverage other people's content. Because I knew firsthand that not everyone, especially me and you, wanted to make money online. We wanted to make money online, but not everyone be able to actually writing a very compelling, a very high quality content. So that is why this is a very powerful tutorial and method, because we can leverage other people's content. Okay, so this is actually the content, and this is the magic. Okay, so when you I'm going to reveal to you just a second, so stick around. We are going to promote this article actually, and as you can see here, this is actually the one that I just created, which is the call to action. This is from Snippy, right? Call to action from Snippy. This is a very powerful call to action, because when people are interested about the content, they're going to go through the entire content, and when they are interested, they are going to click on this link, which is call to action link, and this is where you can embed it. You can embed your affiliate link, and when people click, they're going to go direct to this affiliate offer, which is Blogy, and when they purchase, you're going to make money. Okay, so that we are not going to get banned or anything like that. Okay, because we are not actually direct promoting, but we lay it out with the actual content, which is a very powerful content over here. Okay, so in order to do that, we are going to utilize snippy.ly. so I'm going to go ahead to the main page first. I'm going to show you what is Snippy is all about. So this is the main page of snippy.io. Add a call to action to every shortened link you share. Basically this is actually a shortened link, all right, shortened website like bit.ly and whatsoever out there. But instead of shortened link, it also could help you to allows you to overlay your custom message, which is this one over here, custom message, onto any piece of content. All right, creating an opportunity for you to include a call to action with every link you share. This is the powerful of Snippy. Okay, so now I'm going to click sign in. It is 100% free, but it has the paid version. With free version, you will only be able to get 1000 clicks, which is, I think, is pretty good already if you just started. And with a paid version, obviously you will be able to get more clicks per month. If I'm mistaken, like the price is somewhere $30, and you will be able to get 5,000 to 5,000. I think the maximum for $30 is 5,000 per click. All right, I'm sorry, 5,000 click per month. Okay, so if you just get started, I think 1,000 click is pretty good already. Okay, so what you need to do next, this is some links that I have shortened. I'm going to go to the dashboard, and let's say I want to promote this particular article. This is just for the sake of example. I'm going to copy the entire blog post, and then I'm going to go here and just paste it here and create snips. And later on, you're going to redirect to this particular page, and this is where you can get everything set up. Okay, so I have get my message here. Hey, run your blog on autopilot now and make more money. Okay, and risk free. So I put something free because people love free item. So I want them to click. I want to persuade them to click. Then the rest of like conversion rate and everything is going to take care by this affiliate page over here. Okay, so this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link, which is my affiliate link is here. So it is totally depend. If you are in ClickBank, you can get your affiliate link from ClickBank. So I'm going to copy here, and then I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, this is very crucial. You don't want to miss this out, otherwise your audience or your visitor will not redirect to your affiliate page. Okay, and then just click snip, and then you are good to go. Okay, so that is part number 3. Okay, which is the first part is you need to get your affiliate offer, and then you need to have a content. You can just go to Google and type in, if you are in weight loss and weight loss niche, you can type in like how to lose weight within 30 days. Okay, you can go through each and every one of those articles, which one that you think is could provide high value content. You can take that blog and then use Snippy to shorten that link and to get your custom message layout on the blog. Okay, so now it comes to a very crucial part, which is how to drive all those traffic. So we're going to utilizing Quora. So just want to show you how many traffic that Quora has every single month. Take a look at this one over here. This site is generating 600 million views every single month. That is huge amount of traffic, guys. So imagine if like 0.001% out of 600 million views can actually read your content, and then you can drive them to your affiliate offer, how much money you could possibly make. Okay, so this is very, very powerful, and the best part is you can actually drive as much traffic as possible for free. That's number 1. It is 100% free. And number 2, which is so important, is the traffic. The Quora traffic is actually a very targeted traffic, because this is actually a question and answer based platform. It's kind of like forum, whereby so many people who wanted to solve their problem, they're going to hand over go to Quora, and then they simply going to type everything that they want to know, and then you and me as a who know about the related topic or the related question, we can actually answer, and then we can link up at the end of our answer. For example, like this question over here, what is the best weight loss diet? So this guy Eugene Smith has answered this particular question, and this is all the hyperlink, guys. Okay, then this could probably your affiliate link. I'm sorry, it's not affiliate link, because Quora doesn't allow you to put your affiliate link directly. But what you can do instead, like I told you, this is actually the strategy that we're going to utilize, which is you can shorten your link, your content, which is this is the content, and then you are going to click snip, and then simply copy the content link, which is already laid out with your call to action. For example, this one. So I'm going to go to, for example, this one. I'm going to show you some example. Okay, this is my content. Okay, I'm going to click copy, and then if I paste it here, okay, so this is actually the content that we are going to promote, and this is the exact content that you can hyperlink in your answer on Quora, right? So when people click on the link in your Quora answer, they're going to redirect to this this full content, and then when they read out and when they notice your call to action over here, they're going to click, and then end up you're going to make money with affiliate. Okay, so that is the idea behind this strategy. This is a very, very powerful strategy. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my answer over here. So as you can tell, I am promoting a BlogZ, the automation software for bloggers. So this is actually the content that I just answered 3 hours ago. Let's take a look at the question. How much money can people earn from blogging? So I have answered this question, and you need to take some time to answer this question. It is completely okay if you have some knowledge. Okay, so as you can see, I already get 30 views, and then some people has clicked on my affiliate link, and I'm not yet get any sale, but it is completely okay because I can get one click for 30 views. So what I need to do next is just I going to simply go ahead and find more questions that are related to how to make money blogging, and then I'm going to keep on answering the question, and then I'm going to hyperlink the blog article in my answer. Okay, this is actually the answer, this is actually the blog article, and I have another one hyperlink over here, this one. Okay, so if I click over here, it's going to redirect me to the article that I'm promote. Okay, so this is the article that I'm currently promoting. Okay, and this is the call to action. So guys, I hope you get some values throughout this sharing. This is everyone actually can do this. This is free method. What you need to do is you need to head off to Quora. You can find as much answer, you can find as much question as you want, and then maybe you can answer like a couple of questions a day. So if I got 30 views, I got one click for 30 views, and if I want to have like 5 clicks, maybe I need to answer like couple more question. Okay, the more question I can answer, the more clicks that I am possibly get. Okay, so guys, I hope you get some values throughout this sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. So I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.